So I am going to make a video tutorial for you today on how to download an ebook or audiobook to Overdrive. You can see here that the Overdrive app is currently on my iPad. This will also work on any device that you have downloaded Overdrive onto. So you're going to click on the Overdrive app, and it automatically takes you to what you have already downloaded if you have downloaded anything. You can see here I have downloaded 2 titles, one audiobook and one ebook. You can tell by looking in the right-hand corner if you see a pair of headphones, that means it's an audiobook. If you see a book, that means it's an ebook. Okay, so in order to add a title, you click Add a Title. In order to know what you might have, you click the 3 lines in the left-hand corner, those pancakes. And then, of course, to see those at any point, you would click Bookshelf. And Bookshelf would take you to which books you have out. So Bookshelf takes me back here. I'm going to add a title. It'll ask me to log into my account. So we're going to do it as if we were a kindergarten through 8th grade student. So I'm going to go to sign in. I'm going to click K through 8 student. And then again, my username is my first name dot last name, and my password is 00 followed by my 6-digit student ID number. Okay, and click sign in, and I always click remember my login information, so I do not have to type it in every time. It'll then take you to the Overdrive website, and of course you would decide what you'd want to do. So if maybe I want to listen to Harry Potter, I could type in Harry Potter, and I would then be like, oh, which ones? So I have the Chamber of Secrets is available because it's in black. All the books in gray, of course, are currently being read or listened to. And so I will click on this book, and I'd like to borrow it, so I click Borrow. And then it asks me to go to my Checkouts page in order to check it out or download it, so I need to go to Checkouts. And that's also available up top here where you see the account icon where the little person is. You can always access the screen by hitting that button as well. And then, of course, to download it, I would have to add it to my app. And so I would click Add to App. That's how you download it. The listen in your browser means if you're online. So if you want to download, make sure you say Add to App. MP3 audio, or when you see add to app, EPUB, ebook. That's how you download those. So I'm going to add it to it. And then it's adding the title as it says. The title is added. So up in the left-hand corner, you see that 9. There's the pancakes there. I click on the pancakes. And I go to my bookshelf. And you can see here that Harry Potter Chamber of Secrets is in there. In order to listen to it, all I have to do is click on it. And it asks me to download, so I download the part. Sometimes it does. And then you can hit play, and you can start listening. And that's how you would download a book or an audiobook to the Overdrive app.